Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Shakura, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today we are going to talk about one of my new favorite purses, the Coach Cassie. Watch my what I got for Christmas video, you saw that this is one of the things that I did indeed get for Christmas, and you also know that buying a Coach purse was not on my radar. Coach has come and is still going so far and has really turned, in my opinion, turned their brand around, that I am really excited to have this purse. So let's just jump right on into it. I got the burgundy color mainly because, one, it was on sale and this is my first piece back into the brand because I really stopped buying Coach purses because I didn't like the quality. So I wanted to try the brand out again but not invest too much. So this is a color I got and it was on sale for, I believe, $157 or something like that. It was a really good price because the bag itself retails for $350, $400, something along those lines. So to get it for that price is amazing. And the leather is to die for. If you watch my video of what I got for Christmas, you know that I spoke about how different Louis Vuitton pieces, the monogram pieces, are not leather, they're canvas, and me included, we spend so much money on these pieces when they are not leather. This Coach purse has the nicest leather, especially for that price. The size of this purse and the quality of this purse is just fabulous. I'm just super impressed. So I don't know if you've seen this purse before or if you're searching like I was, but let me just give you a few details about the purse. It's about the size of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, except that I believe this one, the width is a bit different. This purse holds so much. It has a pocket in the front, a big middle pocket, and within that middle pocket it has another compartment, a little pocket here, and then here it has a zip pocket where you can keep other little things. So there's tons of space in this bag. On the back you have another pocket here that is not too tight, so that's where I keep my phone because it's easier to get to. Then it has this top handle similar to the Pochette Métis, which is just so easy and breezy and ladylike, and I love the little top handle. And then of course it has these gold details, these like antique gold looking details, which is just classic and beautiful over here as well. And the classic Coach little tag here. These can come off, which I think is fabulous if you are not a crossbody girl and you just want to hold it like this. You just want to hold it like this by the top handle, which is super cute. I actually hold it by the top handle and the crossbody just because it's easier to go between both. You know, sometimes you just want to hold it and sometimes you need it crossbody if you're doing something else. So I do keep the strap on. Overall, guys, I am super impressed with the quality of this purse. I cannot attest to the Coach purses that have the Coach monogram because I'm not a fan and I probably will never buy it. But as far as this leather, it is top notch. I think that for the spring and summer, heck, really, I could do it now, but for the spring and summer, I might want to look into getting the white version, the cream or white, I don't know the exact color of it, but it is just a nice everyday purse that could be dressed up or dressed down. I am just so impressed with this purse. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what exactly the Coach Cassie holds. I showed you in the back already, this pocket. I have my phone here. And inside I have my earphones. I have my Chanel lotion. I have my 4 key Louis Vuitton key holder, key rings, a pack of gum, my Louis Vuitton key clay, which doesn't have any keys on it, but I keep other stuff in here. If you want to know what's in there, go watch what's in my what's in my purse video. And then I have my full cosmetic pouch. Now, my cosmetic pouch is not full to the brim. It's not usually full to the brim, but I did have to take a few things out that I really didn't need, to be honest, in order for it to fit comfortably in that biggest compartment. So that's in there. In the back I have, it's COVID, so I have about 3 masks, which I didn't realize I had all the way in the back. I have nothing in that pocket. This is just a little Coach tag there. In the front pocket, I have my YSL card holder. Apparently I like fresh breath because I also have my mints and my Chanel mirror. I don't have any sunglasses in here because all my cases are thick. So usually, let me just get a pair of sunglasses. Usually I either have to just hold them in my hand, make sure they're on my face, put them on my shirt, or I can hang it back here with my phone. And you guys know I always have sunglasses. So that's one way I could hold it. And if I have my sunglasses back here, I would just hold it from the top handle so it's not bouncing. But yeah, guys, it fits a good amount of things. So yeah, that is what fits inside my Coach Cassie. Okay, so I did get it in burgundy, like I said, because it was on sale. And while I was buying it, I was almost thinking that I really wanted to get it in black. Because black is a neutral, it's easy to match with everything. But I know, and you know because I've told you, that burgundy is a pseudo neutral. So it can go with many different things. So I went ahead and I got this color. So for anyone that's interested in this color, because this color goes on sale, but wasn't sure about how it would fit into their wardrobe, I wanted to give you 3 different options or 3 different ways to style this purse in this color. Okay, so the first one is just super duper easy. Well, they're all pretty easy to be honest, but the first outfit I have on this jacket, actually this faux leather jacket from Zara. I put on a black shirt that I got from H&M. It's like a long sleeve t-shirt. These forest green, this deep green pants that I got from Uniqlo that are stretchy and beautiful and just so comfortable. And the Coach Cassie, of course. My Schutz burgundy Mariana boots that I got from Bloomingdale's. These colors are very fall inspired. They all go together beautifully. It's very comfortable, it's very warm, and again, like I said, this is a pseudo neutral, so putting this with brown or the green, it just really brings it all together and you have yourself an outfit. But before we go any further, have you subscribed yet? I know that there are so many other videos on the internets that you could be watching, but you have chosen to watch mine, and that's just fabulous. The next outfit is not something that I would normally wear, but the other day when I had to run to the bodega, if you're not from New York, bodega is just a convenience store. It's our corner store. It has toilet paper and food, and it's just what we call a convenience store. And they are like on the corners, so if you're not from New York, that's what a bodega is. So anyway, the other day I had to run to bodega, and instead of putting on a full outfit because it's right in the corner, I put on this matching sweatsuit velour type of thing. This is something that I bought at the beginning of, a little bit at the beginning of the pandemic, because I just didn't know what was gonna happen. Everyone was wearing sweats, so I felt like I had to wear sweats too. You guys, I hardly ever wear this because I'm not a person that wears sweats. Like even in the house, I wear a house dress. So I'm not 100% sure why I bought this. I think I'm just freaking out. But I did get it. It is super comfortable. And so yeah, I had to run to the store, and you still want to look put together when you're running to the store. So I put on this matching set. I threw on my wool H&M long coat, my black hat because my hair was atrocious, and some black sneakers, and I picked up my Coach Cassie. And you guys, it just looked put together. So instead of having to put on a full face of makeup, do my hair, pick out a full outfit just to run to the corner store, this really just brought it together. The velour sweatsuit situation is pink, like a pinky salmon, which goes so well with this burgundy purse. And of course, black and white are neutrals, so it was fine to just throw that in there. So I had myself a little run to the store, or run back home, little outfit. And this third outfit, or this last outfit, is really giving me, I'm in a pandemic, but I still want to go to dinner because I'm tired of being in the house, but I know dinner's going to be outside type of vibe. That's a really long vibe. So I put on this very oversized, extremely oversized green sweater dress from ASOS. You guys, this thing is so cozy and comfortable and warm. And if you saw my last haul, you saw that I purchased this coat from Zara. So I decided to kind of throw that on over my shoulders just for added warmth, because when you're outside eating, you need to be warm. And I added my Schutz burgundy boots that I got from Bloomingdale's. This is so good. I can't wait until next winter where I can wear this like for people to see. Even though I don't dress for people, but it's nice to see it. But I just can't wait until next winter to really get out and use this outfit. It is cozy, it's warm, it's fabulous. I actually put on those sunglasses that were in my last haul, the Gucci burgundy sunglasses. And you guys, it all came together so nicely. Anyway guys, that's it. It's a little short video today. I just wanted to give you a quick review about how I'm loving this purse, that you need to get it as well. There are ways to style this color. I know people gravitate towards black and white, but there's also ways to style this pseudo neutral. If you're thinking about getting a Cassie, if you see it on sale, scoop it up. It is so worth it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.